What is proventricular dilatation disease? Have you ever wondered what happens when a bird's digestive system goes awry? Proventricular dilatation disease is a serious condition that affects birds, especially those in the Psittacine family. This includes popular pets like macaws, African greys, and cockatoos. The disease primarily impacts the gastrointestinal tract, focusing on the proventriculus, which is the true stomach of birds. This organ plays a vital role in secreting digestive enzymes and moving food to the gizzard for further digestion. Birds suffering from proventricular dilatation disease may show various symptoms. One of the most noticeable signs is gastrointestinal distress. Affected birds often regurgitate, have a poor appetite, and experience weight loss. You might also notice undigested food in their droppings. In addition to these digestive issues, neurological symptoms can arise. These may include weakness, loss of coordination, head tremors, and even seizures. Muscle wasting and a general decline in body condition are also common in these birds. The cause of proventricular dilatation disease is believed to be a virus known as Avian virus. This disease can affect birds of all ages, and its progression can vary significantly. Some birds may live for several years with the disease, while others may decline more rapidly. Unfortunately, there is currently no cure for proventricular dilatation disease. Treatment options focus on managing symptoms and improving the quality of life for the affected birds. Preventing the spread of this disease is essential since there is no vaccine available. The best approach is to isolate infected birds from healthy ones. Treatment usually involves anti-inflammatory medications to help reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract and nervous system. However, these treatments are mainly palliative and do not change the disease's outcome. Understanding proventricular dilatation disease is important for bird owners and breeders. Recognizing the symptoms early can help in managing the disease and preventing its spread. This knowledge also highlights the need for good hygiene practices and creating environments that minimize stress and exposure to potential pathogens. By being informed, bird enthusiasts can help maintain healthy populations and ensure the well-being of their feathered friends.